Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some chicken and sausage fried rice. For my new subscribers, thank you for coming in. For my older subscribers and for those who are just watching, thank you again, and don't you forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So these are the ingredients we are using to make our fried rice. I have some white rice that I did wash and soak, some Chinese sausage, some chicken breast that I did season. I have some grated ginger, celery, bora, and chives. I also have some sweet pepper, onions, and some carrots and corn. And as I cook, I'm going to show you the rest of ingredients as I work along. So into a pan over medium heat, I'm going to add some cooking oil along with some sesame oil. The sesame oil is a flavoring agent. It gives your food a nutty taste. At this time, once the oil gets hot, I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. And you can use brown rice if you want. It doesn't really matter. Why I add the rice like this is because I want to fry the rice until all the moisture from the rice grain has been dried out. And as you can see, it starts to stick on the pan. And mind you, this is my way of making my Guyanese fried rice. You want to fry it up until the rice becomes loose. Then you're going to go ahead and add your grated ginger and your onions. Now you can use any onions that you choose to. I use the sweet onion, which is the white one. You continue doing this over medium heat and keep stirring. And as you can see, the rice gets looser. The grains of the rice will be tender once you do it like this, and it cooks evenly. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce, and this soy sauce has salt in it along with some Chinese sauce. You want to test the color of the rice that you're going to be cooking. So in that way, you're going to just be using a little bit of the coloring at a time. Give it a stir. And at this time, I'm going to add some cube. And stir it in again. Remember, we're doing this over medium heat. As you can see, it starts to stick to the bottom of the pot. And you must get some hot water aside to continue this cooking process. Now we're going to go ahead and add some sugar. You can also use brown sugar. Put it up in there. Give it a stir. Now you want to add some boiling water into this pot. This is going to help to cook the rice even faster. It's going to speed up the cooking process. I would suggest when you're cooking, guys, most times you must use hot water. And when cooking rice, just add a little bit of water at a time as you cook and check the grain as you go. And as you can see with the hot water, it just keeps cooking and boiling up there, which is going to make it finish faster. Taste as you go to see if there's anything else needed in there. As you notice, I'm not cooking with salt because most of the ingredients have salt. Cover and let this simmer. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our sausage. In a pan with oil, I'm going to add the sausages. And this is pork sausage, the Chinese sausage. And if you're not into pork, then you can omit this. Once it's fully cooked, we're going to remove it and add our chicken breast. And you can use any seasonings of your choice to season your chicken breast. And this doesn't take long to cook. It just takes like 5 minutes to just saute. Once it's done, I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to go right over and check on my rice to see how well it has been steamed down and if there are any grains into it. There you go. It looks like it has grains, but they are not grains. That's just how the rice is. As you can see as I'm stirring it, these grains are well cooked. Trust me when I say so. Not one hard grain is in here. Now at this time, I'm going to add a little bit of butter and just toss it around. And cooking fried rice is a quick process, guys. So having everything ready is an essential. It comes together quickly once you have all the ingredients prepped and ready to go. As you can see that the rice here is loose and nice, just the right texture that I'm looking for, and also the right color. Now, when you're cooking for a function, what you need to do with your vegetables is to saute them and season them before you add it to your rice. But because I'm cooking for home and it's just a little bit of fried rice, I decided to add my vegetables directly into the rice. Once you add them, just stir them around. And look at how beautiful this is. It doesn't only look beautiful, it has a unique taste to it. It tastes good. It is everything. Add the sausage and the chicken, and oh, I did add some 5-spice powder into here, which I forgot to show you. That brings up that taste. You can also at this point in time add some more of the sesame oil, but I did not add any. Add your chives and your parsley or celery. Mix it up well. Turn the heat off from under the pot. Cover the pot and let it sit for 10 minutes. Your bora is still going to be crunchy. Your carrots is still going to be crunchy, and that's it. Now, after covering it and let it sit for 10 minutes, it is time for serving. All delicious, all tasty, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.